Welcome back, Handlebar Garden. We are at Dilligaff Cycles on out of Tennessee, and with Gibson Automotive, 27 powder coating, and of course Widow Sons. This is the giveaway raffle bike. What they come up with to do with it, and be sure to check this one out. Right? Yeah. Very touching. Had autistic children come in. Yeah, you'll see in the video. Make sure you watch it. Very heartwarming. Big thanks goes to everybody involved. And maybe I can get a list. We get a list of who all is involved. I'm not exactly for sure everybody. So if I missed you, I'm sorry. Apologize. We'll get you. But make sure you check this out. These are the 10s before they were hand printed with the children. So be sure to check this out. Very, very touching.
Ready? Like purple.
Oh my God.
That tickle? Alright, go over and touch the bike. Whatever you want with it. Any one of them. Lay your hand on there flat. Beautiful. Alright, pull her off. Awesome. You want to do another one?
Yes.
You want to do another one?
Yep.
Easy, yep. Oh, come on, I'll put some more paint on there. All right, get you another. Get where you want it. Good job. Perfect.
Awesome.
All right, take that glove off before it starts wrinkling up. Get the other glove.
Yeah.
We can do that.
Let's get your life back. X comes from a big heart.
Mm-hmm. Yes, it does. Get on there good and thick. The blue's a lot of things. It's thin.
All I can do is shoot your life back because X comes from a big heart.
There you go.
X comes from a big heart.
Wherever you want it. Any panel.
I'll put it on that.
That's good. Perfect.
Perfect.
Job.
Beautiful.
Perfect.
Yes.
Beautiful. And another?
I'll do another one. Yes.
Relax.
There you go. Yeah, get on that. Yeah, get on that. There we go.
Perfect.
There we go.
Perfect.
Awesome.
Good job.
That is awesome.
I want to put way over here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, get on.
That's awesome.
Awesome job. You want all to go? Purple right here.
It's green.
Green's your favorite? There you go.
I didn't pick it up. Quick, good job. Quick and effective.
It's awesome.
Beautiful. Pink. Thank you.
Good job. Do more than that if you want to. I'll go find them all. Any other colors?
Yep. Purple.
What do you want in it? Any place in particular?
Yep.
Where? Any thumb?
Well, perfect, Bubba.
What other colors?
Yeah.
Where you want it at? Right here? This one?
Yep.
Alright, what's next?
Red.
Red? Which one? This one? You want blue on the other ones?
Yep.
Okay.
Nice.
Alright. Where you want?
Right there.
Another? Same color?
They can't go wrong, can they?
She was little.
Oh, that's awesome. Yes,
Oh, the way that go, Bubba.
that's good.
Thank you for waiting.
Oh, you're down?
Just do one more.
What?
It's worth a pair of legs. No one else can do it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Way to go.
Everybody want that? Yeah, just do one, then I'll paint you up again, you can do another.
Spread your fingers out.
Hey, Kyra, listen. Spread your fingers out. You're doing this.
Don't smudge it.
Keep talking about this. Right on there. Get that Band-Aid. There you go. Perfect. Yeah. Over that.
Oh yeah, that's awesome.
Don't touch your clothes.
Yeah.
I got paint you. Very nice.
Good job.
You know?